This is the carve exercise, also known as the cone exercise. The reason that it is called a carve or a cone exercise is because you make a little circle either at the bottom or at the top. So, how you start is you need to grab under with your right hand on silk tape, over with your left hand, both thumbs down the pole, into what we call hipple. Your hip and so it should be a seatbelt across your chest. Once you're at that seatbelt, the first count, you're going to transition flat and come up. Flat just means horizontal across, so from this 45, we're going to push up. Some of us have long enough arms to reach all the way up there and keep it at a 45, but I do not. So if you need to move down the pole or even down here, that is perfectly fine. So from straight out in front of us in that toaster plane, we're going to cut that plane and hold it out here. Now, from this position, we are going to maintain that 45-degree angle, kind of like you're drawing that little circle in the sky. Maintain that 45-degree angle and push out. And go ahead and slide your hand back up if you needed to adjust on the first position. So, we have our right hand above our head and our left hand in front of our belly button just pushed out to maintain that 45-degree angle. From here, we are going to switch our hands in the middle, hitting that flat and coming down here. So what we did is we went from here, keeping that 45, and we are dragging it, transitioning flat, and pushing that silk out in front of us while this hand stays right above my forehead. And then from here, we are going to carve in, just like how I said we're drawing like a little circle on the ground. So make sure that you don't push up. Make sure that you keep it nice and tight, a little circle right in front of you. Over and back at that hipple, back at that seat belt. All together, that is flat, up, side, back, flat, down, little circle on the ground back to seat belt. From the side, up, back, flat, down, little circle, back at seat belt. In the carve exercise, we stop at each of those counts. So, how it's going to go is we're going to stop, and it has to be very sharp. So we are going to count off 5, 6, 7, 8. The and between 8 and 1, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. The and is the transition. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And you hit that and keep it there for a few seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and seatbelt. Now, as we continue through this exercise, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The time is going to split in half. So we did 8 counts, now we're going into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It splits in half again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continuing until we have the full 16. So that means 4 sets of those. Until when it gets split in half again, we have 1 count per each, meaning